Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone and your finger. Make sure the device has at least 30% battery and the screen is unlocked so enrollment won't abort. Once done, clean both the fingerprint sensor and your finger. Oils and dirt block reliable reads. Then open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, and choose Fingerprint Enrollment. You're doing this now to create a solid base. The faster you start, the fewer retries you'll need during capture. You'll now capture the fingerprint with deliberate motions. Place your finger on the sensor, starting at the center, then roll and lift slightly so the system records edges as well as the core area. Make 10 to 15 placements, varying angle and pressure. Soft or hard touches both help build a robust template. Make sure you name the imprint clearly, such as right thumb, because later you'll assign it to unlock actions. By varying contact, you reduce false rejects during daily use. Finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for the screen and any supported apps. Toggle options like lock screen and payments if available. Test the sensor 3 times in typical conditions, after pockets, after washing hands, to confirm reliability. If you see more than 1 out of 5 failures, add an alternate finger or repeat enrollment. If problems persist, make sure the sensor and phone software are clean and updated. Then re-enroll. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues because dirt or outdated firmware usually causes read errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.